Hey guys, it's Eric Rodriguez here with ReviewTheInside.com, and I'm doing a small video series of what the rich people do and what the poor people do not do. So consider subscribing. I'm always doing motivational videos. I also do product reviews for entrepreneurs to help them make more money and also give them tips and techniques on how to elevate their online business to the next level. So this is going to be tip number 2 in my video series of what the rich people do and what the poor people do not do. So number 2 is going to be rich people get paid on results, on action. Poor people get paid on time. So let me break that down for you. Poor people, they go to 9-to-5 job, and you could be the best employee in the entire company. No matter what you do, you could work all 8 hours for that day, or you could work 3 hours out of the 8 hours that day, and you're still gonna get paid the same thing. Now, rich people, they get paid for results. Consider a professional athlete. They don't get paid for practicing, 8, 9, 10, 14 hours a day. They get paid to win championships, to win games, to win the playoffs, to hit that last buzzer. They get paid for results. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares as far as how much hours you put into the gym or if you put a product out into the online world. It doesn't matter that you took a whole entire year to make that product. Nobody gives a flying freak, Nobody cares. It just depends on if you deliver results, if people like it, if they make more money with your product, or again, to the professional athlete, if they win championships, they're the best in the world. They get paid, they get endorsed, they get shoe deals, they get commercials, they get all that. They get paid. They're the richest, one of the richest people in the earth is because they deliver results. So think about that. Delivering results compared to getting paid for time, no matter if you are a genius or the best employee in that entire company. Think about that. So again, this is what rich people do, and this is what poor people do not do, is get paid by results.